And now I'm here with my next video of mathematical function for Java expression. In this video, I'm going to concentrate on few topics, that is math.round, math.rent, math.ceil and math.flow. All belongs to java.lang package. I told you earlier about java.lang package. I'm repeating the same thing because if someone is new, then I want to tell you that java.lang is the only package which include everything, whatever is required to create a program. Java.lang contain it. Lang is a short form of language. Whatever required to create a simple program or the complicated program, everything which are common is placed in this. Now see function math.round. Math.round is for round off only to the closest higher whole number. Whole number, decimal is not included in round. Decimal part is totally removed. See the second point. When the fractional part is less than 0.5, it is moving backwards towards the integer part. Means if 55.28, it provides you 55 only. But see the third point. If it is 0.5 or more than 25, it moves towards the next integer value. Means if you are writing 55.58, it provides you 56. See the fourth point. Function accept negative, positive both the values and provide you an answer in negative, positive both. But what you have to remember, see the last point. It always returns you value in either integer or long value. Means a total integer value. If you are providing fractional, it provides you integer. See few examples in front of you all so that you can understand. I'm not creating any of the programs. See with the examples. If I'm writing math.round 7.25, 0.25 is less than 0.5. That's why we are getting 7. See, number 9 are already created. See, this type of thing is you have to focus. It just move toward the nearest value. 0.5 and more than 25 means 0.5 and more than 5 means moving forward. If it is less than 7.5 means if it is less than 0.5, it is moving backwards. Either you are getting 7 or you are getting 8. Nothing in between. 7.25 means 7 because it is less than 7.5. 7.056, again it is less than 7.5, that's why you are getting 7. 7.8, it is more than 7.5, that's why you are getting 8. Minus 7.8. If we are talking about minus 7 and minus 8, minus 7 is the larger one and minus 8 is smaller one. But it always focus on the nearest value. Minus 7.8 means it is minus 8. Minus 7.5 means it is 7.5, the nearest value. 7.5 minus 7.5 means minus 7. Moving towards the larger one and the nearest one. See, rent is little bit confusing. It look like round, but it always provide you double value. Round provide you integer value, but rent provide you double value. When you are going to provide the even value, it always provides you answer in even value only. When you are providing an odd value, then only it going to prefer that 0.5, and moving, if it is less than 0.5, it is moving backward. If it is more than 0.5, it is moving forward. Same way that round is doing, but when the even comes, it is going towards the even value only, and it always returns you double value. Round return you integer value. The basic difference between both of them: round return you integer and rent return you double. Rent always try to come closer with even values. When you are providing even, then it is try to answer in even only, and otherwise it follow like the round is doing, and it accept negative positive both, and it provides you answer in both the values. See the next. I'm trying to create all the answers, all type of examples, so that you can able to understand what rent is going to do. See, 2.50, 2 is even value, that's why you are getting 2.0. Whether it is zero point 0.5 doesn't matter. If you are providing even, you are getting even. See the second example, 4.2, you are getting 4.0. See the next example, 4.501. Now it is even, but it is larger than 0.5, that's why it is moving further. We have to move further if it is more than 0.5. See, 3.50. 0.5 means moving further. 4.0 minus 3.5 means again rent moves towards minus 4. See, if it is minus 2, it is even. Compare 5th and 6th. See, the values were nearest to each other, but see the answer, difference of the answer. When you are providing odd number, then it is going to check 0.5, 0.6, whatever you are providing, it is going to check that. But when you are talking about even, it provides you even number only. See, minus 2.50, it provides you minus 2. But for minus 3.50, it provides you minus 4. See, in minus 4.501, because 0.501 is more than 0.5, that's why you are getting minus 5.0. These things you have to remember. Rent have some complicated things, and you have to judge it. Then you have seal. Seal means ceiling. You have to move forward only. You have to move towards larger value only. Ceiling. Ceiling is on the top of a room. That's why we have to move further, larger one. It is going to round off only, but you have to move toward the larger value. It always return double value, provide you negative answer, positive answer both. But see few examples. Math.seal 27. If I told you it provide you double, but it's on me that I want to convert it into integer. Then I am able to convert it. See, explicitly I'd written int, means explicitly it is going to convert it into 27 only. If I'm not writing int in front of math.seal, it provides me 27.0. But now because of int, it provides me 27. See the next example, math.seal minus 55.25. Then it's always move further, means between minus 55 and minus 56, it always prefer minus 55. It is the larger value. That's why we are getting minus 55.0. When we are talking about mat dot ceil 26.35, see, between 26 and 25, which one is between 26 and 27, sorry, between 26 and 27, which one is larger? 27. That's why I'm moving further towards 27 only. And see, the same thing is with the floor roll. In our room, we are having, where we are having floor and where we are having ceil. Ceil means ceiling and floor means we have to come backwards with the smaller one. We have to move with the smaller one. Ceil with the larger one. Floor with the smaller one. Everything with what we are doing with ceil, same thing we are doing with floor, but in ceil we have to move further and in floor we have to come backwards, means towards smaller. Mat dot floor 27, again we are getting 27. Minus 55.25, previously we are getting minus 55, now we are getting minus 56. We have to move towards the smaller one. See this third example. Previously we are getting 27, now we are getting 26, because we are moving towards the smaller one only. I think with the help of difference you can able to understand what I want to communicate. If still you have doubt, then do ask from me. Otherwise, goodbye and good luck.